Today's video is all about the battery upgrade from 100 ampere AGM battery that comes with the Crosstrack Jayco. Weighs 29 kilos to an Outback's 100 ampere lithium battery. That's 100 ampere. When you do receive them, they are empty. Just got to charge them up. I do have two of the 100 ampere batteries inside the caravan. For this video, I'm just using the one. Please subscribe to the Motivation.Vision YouTube channel, Motivation.Vision on the web, and please like the Motivation on Facebook for more videos. Please isolate everything before and de-isolate everything and test everything after you've done the upgrade. For more questions, please look us up on the Motivation Facebook page and the web. I can put the specs for the 100 ampere lithium batteries. Thank you. Have a good day.